Hello, so today I'll be doing a review of 3 Kaigelu nib sizes. Extra fine, over here. Oh sorry, I think it's this one. Fine, and a medium Kaigelu nib. So some of you might be wondering, why don't I have 3 Kaigelus on the table? This is obviously not a Kaigelu pen. That's because, as I mentioned in a video previously, I did order 3 Kaigelu pens, but one came rather unusable because of poor threading on the barrel, which does not fit well onto the grip section. But I salvaged the nib and put it onto this beautiful mother of pearl Moonman. If I'm not wrong, it's a Moonman M6. So let's take a look at the nibs one by one. So this nib, if the camera can focus, is the Moonman Extra Fine nib. Perhaps I should zoom in. Yep, it has a Kaigelu EF. So mostly gold in plating. And let's take a look at the fine nib, which is also very beautiful in my opinion. Yep, the camera has focused. So once again, the Kaigelu NF for fine. And let's take a look at the medium nib, which is on this beautiful Moonman. So it's a bit hard to see because the plating doesn't seem to be as prominent on this nib, but it should say Kaigelu M. I can see it, but I'm not sure that it's getting really caught on camera. But never mind about how these nibs look. Most importantly is how they write. So I have here a Kokuyo Campus notebook. Yes, I know it's not the most fanciest of papers. It's not Rhodia, nor Clairefontaine, nor Tomo River paper. But in my opinion, it works pretty well with most fountain pens and fountain pen inks, and so I use it for note-taking on a day-to-day basis. So let's take a look at the Kaigelu F nib. Perhaps I should zoom in to allow you to see more closely the writing process. So sorry, this is the extra fine nib. Why I wrote F is because it really looks much like a Japanese fine nib. A bit of flex, but seems to be a bit of railroading if you flex too much. So the ink I have in here is just a simple Pilot Black. So you can hear a bit of feedback, a bit of tooziness to the nib, but it is a very positive feedback feeling. Not unpleasant at all, and definitely not scratchy. So let's compare with the Kaigelu F nib. As you can see, it has a much, maybe not much, but noticeably broader feel to it. Significant line variation. Probably will work well if you use a wetter ink. I fill in Iroshizuku Kompeki in this pen. I should zoom up to allow you to see the two comparisons. So, more flex. And when it comes to the medium nib, the tipping on the medium nib is seriously quite extravagant. If I could get you to focus on the nib, you can see the tipping material there. Yes, right there. It's quite a bit. So let's take a look at how it writes. The difference between F and M, at least for the sample that I have, is not that significant. In fact, it'll be hard to tell the difference. Except with the F being slightly broader even without putting much pressure onto it. So the ink here I have is Iroshizuku Shinkai, which is the ink which I mentioned a few videos ago that I said I wanted to showcase, and so now here it is. And so, writing samples once again for Kaigelu Extra Fine, Kaigelu Fine, and Kaigelu M nib. I hope this video is useful to you. Personally, the Kaigelu 316 is a great pen, just that I probably was unlucky to have a few bad experiences with the ordering and the delivery process. Got delivered a few, one or two faulty ones, and yeah, but their nibs do seem to be quite reliable and quite pleasant to write with. In fact, that was why I put the M nib on this Moonman. I didn't quite appreciate the original Moonman nib, so I replaced it with a Kaigelu nib. So that's all for today. I hope this video has been useful, and goodbye.